Hey, what's up guys? RD here from PROTRADERSNETWORK, and today in front of us we have the Ethereum chart on the daily time frame. So as usual guys, we're going to take a look at Ethereum and where it might go in the next couple of days and weeks and months, right? So we'll start off with actually drawing some support and resistance lines. Alright, so the top, that's the all-time high, and here we have the support level. And the next line I'm going to draw here is just at these levels here where we see some resistance, and we can see that price have actually retested, and now it might actually retest that zone again, right? So let me just mark those levels again. So here is the all-time high at the $4,381 level for Ethereum, and after that we saw price actually going into a retracement, a deep retracement in fact, and price went to lows of 1710. So we saw that, you know, this particular level was tested for about 4 times before the slanting line resistance, right, was broken here at this point here on the 24th of July this year, right? So after that, what we saw was a very fast increase to the upside. Price never actually looked back, and you can see that price have actually maintained itself above the 9 exponential moving average, and as long as price is trading above that, as well as a 200 moving average, which is depicted here in the form of a purple line, we say that the structure is bullish and the momentum is bullish, right? So guys, where did price actually start to reverse? In the shorter term, we see that the 3326 level proves to be quite a level where the bears have positioned themselves to come in. There might be some buyers actually who is taking profits at those levels, and at this point price have actually closed below the 9 exponential moving average, and we are looking for price to actually bounce off this level if it ever reaches there, which I think it might. But if it doesn't, then it's a good call actually for the bulls to actually come in again, right? So if this proves to be support, right, or this area, this zone here proves to be support, we are expecting price to actually move back up to retest this particular resistance zone, or also called the supply zone, at 3326. Having broken that particular resistance, we might see price moving back up to actually retest the highs of 4381. But you know, you got to actually be patient, because sometimes price do actually go into a sideways rectangle, in a rectangle. So we might see actually price doing this for a while now before it actually decides to go up, or it might even start to go down, right? So this particular support here is very important, and the next support, if this fails, is we can see a major support here around the 1710 level. If let's say price breaks that level, we are looking into a bearish structure, and price might actually fall lower, right? So as you know, Elliott wave theory, we have A, B, C pattern. Basically this is still a retracement, right? That may happen, and as we don't have a crystal ball, guys, so we have to anticipate what may happen in the future so that we can take a decisive action on what we want to do with our trades, right? If we are in a trade, if we are not, then we could actually be planning for a trade to, you know, basically take the reactions, right? So for example, if this particular moving average, right, is as it goes up, as price moves on, when price actually touches this moving average, usually there is also a rebound, right? A reaction, I call it. A reaction doesn't mean that it's a reversal. It may be a reversal, but a reaction is basically a move in the opposite direction of maybe 5 to 10%, right? So even if price moves down towards this 1710 level, traders usually will buy at this level to actually take the reaction back up. Some traders might actually go for the longer term and wait for it to push it, for price to push higher. But there are traders who actually trade on the short term and who take the 10 to 15% returns, and after that they will exit the trades, right? So there are various ways to trade the markets, and I've just explained to you the various ways that people actually might actually use the strategies that they might use, right? So guys, at this point in time, we need to see how price behaves at these levels, and as I've actually indicated, this is an area of importance here. We need to see price actually moving back up here in order for continuation of bullish momentum, right? So we'll keep you updated in future videos, and hopefully you will join us in our future videos as we go through the crypto market as well as the other markets like forex, stocks, as well as commodities. And guys, if you it would be great as well that if you subscribe to our channel, and we thank you so much for supporting our channel and for following us in our daily videos. So thank you very much, and hope that this particular analysis has benefited you. And signing out, RD.